We are meeting at a time when the world is facing a triple crisis: COVID-19, climate change and conflict. Pakistan is one of the most impacted countries from these challenges. COVID-19 has reversed a decade of progress towards the SDGs. After many decades of steady decline, extreme poverty is on the rise again. The current war in Ukraine and the accompanying restrictions has been coup de grace for the poor. The looming climatic catastrophe has already increased the development cost for many developing countries. For example, despite a minuscule of GHG emissions, my country is among the most climate vulnerable countries. This has led to a massive increase in our development cost. This is happening in the backdrop of unsustainable debt burden, high borrowing cost and hyperinflation. It is estimated that 60% of the developing countries are already at high risk or in debt distress. The international community needs to generate the political will to respond to the current crisis facing the developing countries. We must adopt and implement an emergency action plan to address the food, energy and security needs of the developing countries. Conscious steps need to be taken to moderate prices of food, energy and other essential goods for affected developing countries, including through an international fund set up for this